So yesterday I went to pressure wash this deck, put all the chemicals in the foam cannon, and I just wasn't getting the thick foam. There was some chemicals coming out. You could see some suds, but not the thick foam that I usually get. So today I'll show you how to fix the problem. It's a real easy fix and get you out there pressure washing and nice thick heavy foam the way everyone likes it. Here I have a pail of warm water and I'm adding white vinegar. Take the nozzle from your foam cannon and put it into the pail of the white vinegar. Then there's another step. We're going to add some Arm & Hammer baking soda. And you're just going to let it sit in this mixture for around 10-15 minutes. I put some of the white vinegar in the foam cannon too with some warm water. What I'm doing here, I'm going to just run the foam cannon with the white vinegar. Just vinegar, no baking soda. Next you want to run the foam cannon with the pressure washer and just let that vinegar solution run through the cannon. So let's see if it worked. I'm just using Dawn Platinum and some water in the cannon right now. And I didn't put a ton, and you can see I'm getting a nice thick heavy foam, the way it usually works. So the white vinegar did the job for me. You might have just been some soap that clogged up in the nozzle. So recommend maybe just do this each time you pressure wash, or run some water, hot water, or just run water through it. But the vinegar really seems to do the trick. So good luck, guys. And remember, if you like the video, subscribe, comment, like, share, and follow me for some more pressure washing and painting tips. Have a great day, everyone.